Are you looking for the best framing nailers? In this video we will look at some of the best framing nailers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Numax SFR2190. Talking about framing nailers, it will be very hard not to mention the Numax SFR2190 because it's one of the most budget-friendly option you can get your hands on. Even though it's a bit cheap, the Numax SFR2190 is definitely one of the best nailers out there in the market right now. The body alone is made up of magnesium, which is the ideal metal used for making nailers. It's the ideal metal because it's the lightest, it's very tough and resistant to corrosion. It features the two main firing modes, which are the single firing mode and the bump firing mode. For the two firing mode, there are two different triggers which you have to choose from. There is a black trigger for the single firing mode and a red trigger for the bump firing mode, and you can only use one trigger at a time. The nailer comes with the black single fire trigger already assembled. Number 2. Metabo HPT NR90AES1. The Metabo HPT NR90AES1 framing nailer used to be the Hitachi NR90AES1. It's a new brand name, but the tool remains the same. If you've had or used this tool before, you'd know that it's one of the best framing nailers you can get your hands on today, as it comes equipped with every feature a good framing nailer should have. First thing you need to know about this Metabo HPT NR90AES1 is that it makes use of 21-degree framing nails sized from 2 inches to 3.5 inches. With the capacity to fire this size of nails, you can use it for framing, truss building, flooring, subflooring, roof decking, deck building, shed building and a host of other projects. Whether you're a professional framer or builder who wants to carry out some home construction projects, or you're simple DIYer who wants to carry out some woodworking projects at home like shed building, you're going to find this Metabo framing nailer extremely useful. Number 3. Makita AN924. The Makita AN924 comes equipped with all the important features you'll find in any framing nailer. First of all, it's lightweight for easy handling. It features a 2-mode selector switch so you can quickly change the firing modes. It features a tool-less depth adjustment dial and a rafter hook to keep it close by when not in use. The Makita AN924 comes equipped with rubber bumpers at the side to protect them from getting damaged if mistakenly dropped or left on the floor. It drives 21-degree plastic collated nails from 2 inches to 3.5 inches in length, and 0.113 to 0.148 inches in diameter. The driver blade of the AN924 is made with heat-treated S7 steel, and the top-loading magazine is made of solid aluminum for durability. Weighing just 8.3 pounds, it's a bit heavy, but comes with rubberized handles for increased comfort during use. Number 4. Paslode 501000F350S. When judging a good framing nailer, power is one of the things to check for. A framing nailer needs to produce enough power to sink those nails in its magazine effortlessly without any hassle. This is where the Paslode 501000F350S framing nailer shines. No wonder Paslode calls it the PowerMaster Plus. With more than 10% more power than most of the framing nailers in its class, the Paslode 501000 PowerMaster Plus is built to rain nails on wood with meanness. Hence, if you are going to be working with very hard wood like engineered lumber, then the 501000 is definitely a good choice for you. You can use this framing nailer no matter the kind of project you are hoping to engage in, because it can fire different sizes of nails ranging from 2-inch to 3.5-inch nails. So, whether you're hoping to build some simple DIY furniture like a coffee table, or you want to engage in a more complicated project like framing a whole building, you can count on the Paslode 501000 framing nailer to sink all the nails you intend to use in the project.